and welcome back to our vlog. In today's video, we cover our experience aboard Air Astana flying from Delhi to Istanbul via Almaty. We began our journey amidst the rush at Delhi airport and had a smooth check-in experience. As the lounge was closed for renovations, we had our meal at the food court. As the gates were far away, we headed straight towards them after crossing through the duty-free shops. We boarded our flight right on time without any hassle. As it was our first flight with Air Astana, we were really excited to check out the comfort of the seats and the wide leg space. Having familiarized ourselves with the in-flight entertainment system, we patiently waited for the push-off from the terminal. It was a long taxi to the runway. It was a smooth takeoff and it was our turn to go through the main etiquette. The bag contained an inflatable neck pillow, eye mask, socks, earplugs, dental kit, as well as a pen. Soon after, we were served our in-flight meal. Its main course was roast chicken with a side of peas and potatoes. Crossing the snow-capped peaks of the Tian Shan Mountains is a treat for the eyes. As we approached Almaty, the weather was really foggy with poor visibility and sporadic snowfall. The terminal at Almaty Airport is pretty small, making it easy to navigate. There are a few coffee shops just outside the arrivals after going through immigration. We proceeded towards the departure hall for the next leg of our journey. Things were easy as all of our luggage was checked all the way through to Istanbul. Just beyond the security hold area is the waiting hall, which is a few rows of benches and a couple of cafes. We had a long wait in front of us, so we accessed the Almaty International Lounge, which is on the left-hand side of the hall. The lounge was quiet when we went in, but got pretty busy later. As part of the lounge access, one can avail of a few set menus from the Alaport Cafe. As we approached the aircraft, all we could see was snow. Again, we were handed an amenities kit similar to the one on our flight before. After a quick de-icing, we are on our way towards the runway. As it was an early morning flight, we settled in for our sleep. We skipped our main meal service and just had the morning snacks. Upon the approach to Istanbul, the flight got a bit turbulent due to bad weather over the Black Sea. Istanbul airport is pretty huge, but the services are really efficient and we were done with immigration in no time. There is a large duty-free area just before the baggage reclaim. Overall, we were pretty pleased with our experience with Air Astana. Stay tuned for our upcoming series of videos exploring Turkey. Keep traveling with us and keep on exploring.